This is the cold start for my Ford Racing Sport Catback exhaust system. I really like this system. It has a good sound while driving, no drone, just a good slight tone in the car at 55 mile an hour, but when you lay in it, it screams. It's a very good exhaust. A little pricey at $1,349, but it's well worth the money after you put it on. Just in less than a minute it starts warming up and gets a little quieter, but still has a nice throaty sound. Well worth the money. Hope you enjoyed the video.